In this video, we'll be exploring some basic tips for heading out on a winter adventure, from planning a route to looking after cold, wet feet. Wintry weather puts many people off getting out and about, but with the right kit and preparation, you can enjoy the wild all year round. Checking the weather is particularly important in the winter. It can be changeable too, so try getting regular updates throughout the day. Look at the rain, but also check temperature and wind. Even on a sunny day, wind chill can take the temperature well below freezing. You could even go old school and look at the sky and feel for what's in the air. If it feels stormy, there could well be something on the way. Weather fronts are often preceded by lines of wispy clouds, but any change in temperature or cloud cover is worth noting and keeping an eye on. But changeable weather isn't only a negative. Even the heaviest downpour can quickly pass, so don't let a drab morning stop you from heading outside. When planning a winter route, pay close attention to the terrain. Crossing waterways in winter can be dangerous, so have an alternative route or a plan to turn back if necessary. Try tuning into local radio stations to find out about localised flooding and weather warnings like ice and snow. And it might seem obvious, but muddy ground and wet rocks are slippery, so take your time, take care, and wear decent footwear with good grip. As well as the basics like food and water, you might want to consider taking a few extras when heading out on a winter hike. The days are short, so plan for this and always take a working head torch. It's also important to keep your core body warm and dry. Getting wet in cold weather can lead to a drop in body temperature, which can also lead to hypothermia. Invest in a set of waterproof overclothes to protect you from the rain, wind and temperature. They're not expensive and they do make all the difference. Remember to pack a warm, dry layer just in case you do get wet or cold. Hat, gloves and buff are also great extras, even if you only use them on your rest stops. It's winter in the UK, so it's bound to rain at some point. Make sure you have a waterproof solution for your rucksack. For one-off trips, you can just use a shopping bag or bin liner. But if you're planning on exploring the UK at any time of year, it's worth investing in a dry bag or a waterproof cover for your rucksack. The outside cover has the added bonus of keeping the whole pack dry, which means it doesn't get weighed down with water. It's also a good idea to keep your feet warm and dry. Waterproof hiking boots are ideal, and a high collar can help keep splashes and snow out. For a faster paced hike or multi-day trip, some people opt for trail shoes or lightweight trainers. While these do leave your feet wet, they do dry out more quickly, making them great if it's not too cold. At the end of each day, carefully warm and dry your cold, wet feet. Don't stick very cold toes against hot radiators, but instead warm them in your hands or in a pair of dry socks. Your feet are important, so be sure to look after them. You need to fuel your body for any adventure, but remember, your body does burn more calories in the cold, so be sure to pack plenty of snacks. And consider taking a flask of hot soup or tea to warm you up on your breaks. Although winter walking might not leave you as thirsty as a hot summer's day, it's still important to pack and drink plenty of water. If you feel like you've got low energy or you get a headache, it's likely you're dehydrated, so make sure you take a swig at regular intervals. Winter Walking 101. Staying warm and dry is the key to enjoying a cold weather adventure. Have the option for head-to-toe waterproof clothing, as well as an extra layer in case you get wet or cold. Finally, eat more than usual and make sure you drink plenty of water. Don't let the dull days and dark nights put you off. The UK has plenty of winter wonderlands waiting to be explored.